More text commands. Powerful productivity commands to work with text. Enter new text, or edit existing, with commands found on the right side of a dialog box, in text collection list. Most commands create their own layers to draw text, for layer naming and color consistency. Each command displays a short description at the bottom, for what is intended to do, and a slide image in the middle of dialog. Always read command prompt, enter proper selection, and try the different options. Commands work with text objects. Explode text objects to convert them to text. Let's see all text commands in action. Add a number to another selected number. Draws text in a rectangle with an arrow. Draws a rectangle around the text with wide arrow. Draws multiple texts in a rectangle with an arrow. Draws multiple texts with open arrow in a rectangle. Changes text from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Select text to convert text case. Changes texts, individually, or eType, or globally. Select text to change the font type. Changes the text's angle. Opens word processing program to edit selected text. Finds and displays text in drawing. The text appears in red rectangle, for better recognition. Inserts the contents of an ASCII file. Joins selected texts in a row, based on properties of the first word you choose. Aligns selected text horizontally. Aligns text to a designated point. Capitalize the first letter of the selected text. Rotates the selected text to a new angle or adding new angle to the current. Base point rotation is the insertion text point. Draws the numbers on stairs. Replaces the selected text with another text of your choice. Subtracts a number from another selected number. Add multiple numbers. Draws a rectangle around the text. Draws an ellipse around the text. Draws a rounded rectangle around the text. Adjusts the width of text within defined limits. Draws a polygon around the text. Add text. Underline texts with double line. Underline text with single line.